Hi friends, today I will show you how to enable push to talk on Discord. Normally in Discord, when you're in a voice call, your mic is activated by voice activity. Once your speaking voice gets above a certain threshold, you are allowed to speak. With push to talk, you can just press a button and it will automatically turn on your mic. To enable this, go to the user settings at the bottom left on your screen. Scroll down until you see voice and video. Click that and enable push to talk. On Discord web, it will not allow you to use push to talk when you're not in when you have not opened the web app. However, on desktop that is not an issue. Scroll down, click record key and press the key that you want to use as your push to talk button. Then click stop recording. Click escape. Now you can see the Discord push to talk has been enabled. When I click the key that I have selected, it will turn on my mic, and when I release it, it will stop recording. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.